Ever wonder how cybersecurity teams stay one step ahead of hackers? Today we're breaking down MITRE ATT&CK, a framework that's become essential for understanding and defending against cyber threats. So what is MITRE ATT&CK? MITRE ATT&CK stands for Adversarial Tactics, Techniques and Common Knowledge. Think of it as a massive playbook that documents how real-world attackers actually break into systems and move around once they're inside. It's built from years of watching actual cyber attacks, not theoretical ones. Cybersecurity researchers around the globe contribute to it, making it a living document that grows with every new threat. So how does it work? The framework is organized into tactics and techniques. Tactics are the why, the attacker's goals, like getting initial access or stealing data. Techniques are the how, the specific methods used to achieve those goals. For example, under the tactic initial access, you'll find techniques like phishing emails or exploiting public-facing applications. Each technique includes real examples from threat groups, detection methods, and ways to defend against it. What makes ATT&CK powerful is that it uses a common language. When a security team in Tokyo talks about T1566.001, a team in New York knows exactly what they're talking about. So why does this matter? Organizations use ATT&CK to test their defenses, train their security teams, and prioritize what to protect. Instead of guessing what might happen, they can prepare for techniques that real attackers are using today. It's free, regularly updated, and has become the industry standard for threat intelligence. Whether you're a security professional or just curious about cybersecurity, understanding ATT&CK gives you insight into the real tactics behind today's cyber attacks.